If you're a busy person who struggles to find time to cook meals, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to do speedy meal prep that fits into your hectic schedule. We all know how important it is to eat healthy, but with limited time, it can be a challenge. But don't worry, with these tips and tricks, you'll be able to whip up nutritious meals in no time. Let's get started. The key to speedy meal prep is planning ahead. Take some time at the beginning of the week to plan out your meals. Choose recipes that are quick and easy to make. Look for dishes that can be prepared in bulk and frozen for later. By planning your meals in advance, you'll save time and avoid the stress of figuring out what to cook each day. Next, make a grocery list. Write down all the ingredients you'll need for your planned meals. Stick to your list when you go shopping to avoid impulse purchases and save time. Consider using online grocery shopping for added convenience. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to start prepping. Take a few hours on a weekend or a less busy day to prep your meals for the week. Chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion out ingredients in advance. This will make it much easier to throw together a meal during the week when you're short on time. Invest in some time-saving kitchen tools. Gadgets like a food processor, instant pot, or slow cooker can help you cut down on preparation time. These tools make chopping, cooking, and even cleaning up a breeze. Don't forget to use your freezer. When you're making a meal that can be easily frozen, make extra portions and store them for later. This way, you'll always have a healthy and homemade meal ready to go, even on your busiest days. Finally, embrace the concept of cook once, eat twice. Make larger portions of meals that can be repurposed into different dishes throughout the week. For example, cook a big batch of grilled chicken that can be used in salads, wraps, and stir-fries. This saves you time and adds variety to your meals. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to conquer meal prep and enjoy healthy and delicious meals even when you're short on time. Don't let your busy schedule get in the way of eating well. Start implementing these strategies today and see how much time and stress you can save in the kitchen. Happy meal prepping!